Okay. Hi, I am from India. My native place is nearby Madurai. I working in Singapore so far 9 years plus. Then I started my career in construction, doing supervising. Starting from a worker, then I do the supervising, safety supervisor, and followed by the lifting supervisor. Everyone. Then step by step, I do the site supervisor also. Then I completed my the safety coordinator. After that, I moved to the Ali Energy. This is the one of the heavy equipment leasing company and rental sales also. In this, I do the technical work. I do the technician. Uh, After that, I go back to India. Then I got a marriage. After marriage, I stay in India about 10 months, roughly around 1 year. Then again, I come back to Singapore. It's a company, Access Tech Engineering. In this company, I working as a safety coordinator. Then after that, I coming to this company. This company name is Angcheng Kwon. Here, I currently doing a safety coordinator. Uh, that's all. Here working in Singapore now. In working this moment, suddenly we all get COVID-19 these issues. So so far in Singapore we all okay. During this time they all take care us very good and very well. They give a good resident staying place as well as the food. They take care us very well. Really I proud of them. Then I proud to working in Singapore. Singapore also one of the home country for me. Not only India. In Singapore also I very happy to say that I working in Singapore and live in Singapore. So, I have one daughter. My wife name is Avarna. Then my daughter name is Mosika. So I think about my daughter. Then I try to make these things. Today we, yeah. Oh.
You can show to the camera.
Ah.
Maybe you can like that put aside. Then you hold like that.
Right.
Yeah, can you introduce us?
Uh,
Can you introduce your daughter to us?
Yes, I dedicated this to my daughter, Mosika. She is now 1 year. Age is 1 year. 1 year just now. She finished her birthday. Uh, she is very cute and look very pretty. And also she makes some fun always in my house. Make other people to make other people happy. Uh, if she is have in a surrounding means everyone will be very happy. And also when everyone look at my daughter, they all say your daughter is very active. She is very active and she always playful, not like silent or sit down one place. She always very naughty and go here and there, make some naughty to make a fun to others. So I very happy to that. Then whoever see my daughter, they all say your daughter is very cute and very how to say very brave. Everyone say your daughter is very brave. Once she see the anything, she also do the same things. She start to do the dancing when see the movie or watch the television. After she see this, she also started to dancing. When she is about 10 months around, she started to walking. After he started walking, he don't like to sit in other people's, don't stay to other people's hand. She always like to go down and walk here and there, go outside. Nowadays, she become a very bold girl. When she go outside the street, she saw somebody walking around him. He called them, "Hey, come here." So whenever I see my daughter, I saw her in a video call. I talk to her. I also very happy. So during this time in the COVID-19, can give her. So in the during the COVID-19, we all under the quarantine order. I also feel very relaxed when I talk to my family and when I see my daughter. I also very happy. So today we actually creating the arts. This is a craft, right? So making the craft, I think about my daughter. Then I create these things. So I dedicate these things to my daughter. Any other thing?
So how is today activity?
This is the very good activity because so far the people coming here around 2 months, they never going outside. They stay inside the room. Sometimes they coming outside for the smoking or shopping, and then always they using the mobile phone only. So when like this activity, they come outside, they talk to other persons, they also feel very relaxed, and they don't feel like very stressful. They feel very relaxed. In weekly one time, my suggestion, weekly one time they conduct like this of activities means people they come and do the like this of things, or they can sing. They have their own some self uh, habit, something they have the important things, so they can show to others. When they talk to others, they also very happy in these times. I feel this is good. Yes.
Okay. So what is this love mean?
Uh, this is I love Mosika, my daughter. So I create these things. This is for like my daughter. I create your face in a small piece of cloth. I making all the things, attach these things, legs, hand, everything making after. I write using the knot thread. I using this. I love Mosika. I write my daughter name.
So means that you love your daughter.
Yes, yes. I love my daughter.
Okay. So is the lady helping you with this?
Yeah, she helped me to make the heart. She helped me make this heart, and she also helped me to make this one and attach these things, because time is take a long time. If I one person do the other things means she helped me to make these things, then I attach these things. She also helped me in these things. Her name is Anna. Anna. Yeah, she is good. When we started to work out on these things, she very helpful to me. I started to do some things. Then she also, your idea is good, because every person they do their own individual ideas. Then I started. I told her I want to make like this. Then she also told her, your idea is very good. You go ahead. Then I started to do these things. Then I make a hand, the leg, I cut the shape, these things all during this time, I cutting time. She helped me to make the heart. Then after that, she told you attach this one together, look very nice. So she also give me some ideas. So we together make these things completely make very bad, very nice.
Is this COVID-19 affect you a lot?
Affect me a lot. Not only me, affect overall the world. In the world, if for my case, just I coming to this company in February only. After the April 1st, they started the lockdown. I working February and March, just less than one and a half month only. I working. After 1.5 month, I get a quarantine order from the MOH, because in my company one of my colleague get COVID-19 positive. So in a MOH they give the quarantine order to the contact person, whoever the contact person they give to us. Then we cannot able to go outside from the dormitory from the April 4th or 5th. We cannot go outside from the dormitory. So from that onwards, we stay inside the room alone. We also feel very stressful inside the dormitory. During that time, very difficult to go for the shopping. We cannot buy the makan coming, but sometime some person don't have. So here, some in a TWC2, they help us give some foods. They provide us the makan, and then same time some people they top up for us. Then from our dormitory management, they give us the free SIM card, which have the data, 50 GB data. So government side also they give more support to us to help us. We should not feel very stressful inside the room. So they help us to more on everything in basic essential like food, data, calling a net package, everything they provide us. then make us also don't feel very stressful. Even we stay inside the room also, at least we can have a time to spend with these things. After that, in May 1st or 2nd, in my room, few more person get COVID-19 positive. So after that, I suspect I also feeling not well. Then I go to the hospital for checking. Then in the hospital, after they checking, they give me the negative report. After I stay in a hotel. After staying in a hotel in a second time, they do the test one more time. Then after 2 or 3 days, they give the result positive. So after that result, I hear the phone call. You get your positive. I also feel very bad and very stressful. I thinking why I stay separately after I come to here also first time the negative report. Then how come become positive? I also thinking in this way. Then few days later. But I feel no any body feeling. I feel any illness in my body. I feel very good. Only the result only positive, but in my body don't have any problem. After that, they shifted me to the expo. In there, I staying around 21 weeks above 3 weeks. Then after that, June. June 9, I shifted to here, Galang Stadium. After coming here, they providing us the meals and then the staying place, everything very good. Really, the things is very good because in a short term they want to make a temporary staying place like this place very difficult to government also because already they take in a hotel, some of the resort, expo hall, Changi exhibition center, so many things they take government they take over. After they make a petition, they provide the room, bed, everything. They all thinking very good way to how to say. The planning is very good because in a starting time they see the people affecting in this COVID-19. So suddenly they take a decision. They make so many places for the affected people, and they make some places like a Gelang Stadium, some other places, army camp, everything they make a shelter, the temporary staying place, everything they're making, and then they provide the food also to everyone, and whatever the people need, the Wi-Fi connection or other things, they want to go for the shopping. Here they want to do the hair cutting. Everything they are arranging, no issue. In case they have any problem, very important thing during this time, government support the company to pay the salary because I listen some of other country due to this COVID-19 they also COVID-19 they also staying in a room, they cannot go outside, but some of the country they never pay the salary for them. I listen from my brother, he's staying in a Gulf country, Kuwait, Dubai. During the lockdown they never get the salary. Some of the people during the lockdown also the employer ask them to do the working in a Gulf country, but here very strict, very strict forward. The law is for everyone, for foreigner or local Singaporean, everyone is the same. Once they started to do the lockdown, is for everyone, not only for the few people. Then slowly they reduce the lockdown, then they release. After they releasing the lockdown also, they give so many restrictions. After